Ladies and gentlemen, gather round because today we're talking about a car that's got more character than a Hollywood movie cast. We're diving into the 1959 Piaggio Vespa 400, which is like the cute cousin of those little Italian scooters we all love. And if you think it looks like a toy car, well, you wouldn't be far off. But trust me, this tiny dynamo has a lot more going for it than just a cute face. Before we go full throttle into the specs and history, here's the deal. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, do yourself a favor and smash that button. We've got all the cool, quirky stuff you didn't even know you needed. Now hit subscribe and let's take this baby for a spin. All right, back to the Vespa 400. Picture this. The year is 1957, and Piaggio, the legends behind the iconic Vespa scooter, decided to mix things up. What do? They roll out the 400 Microcar in Monaco, and it was like the automotive world just got a shot of espresso. Why? Because the Vespa 400 had everything people wanted at the time. Cute design, practical for small European streets, and, well, it could actually carry more than a scooter could. Plus, it's got that 400 cubic centimeter cc two-stroke engine purring in the back, giving it enough pep for those winding city roads. But wait, this isn't just any car. This little guy has a rear-engine design with enough room in the back for luggage or, wait for it, 2 small children. So basically, it's like a clown car, but with more style and less honking. I'm telling you, it's the European version of the I'm way too small, but I'm here to take on the world mentality. The best part? The Vespa 400 has a monocoque shell. This isn't just some cheap frame, it's got some serious engineering going on. Throw in that unique strut suspension, and you're looking at one cool little ride. Now let's talk about this particular 1959 Vespa 400 that recently sold at RM Sotheby's for a whopping $33,600 United States dollars. This car didn't just roll off the factory floor and into someone's garage. Oh no, it went through a father-son restoration project that could rival any custom-build show on TV. The restoration included some really creative fixes, like riveting uncured brake linings onto old shoes and baking them. Talk about dedication. The details are insane. Custom-made decals, hand-cut speedometer glass, and even local craftsmen pitching in to help with upholstery and sheet metal work. It's clear this isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece that won multiple awards, including a first prize at the AACA Eastern Fall Nationals in 2021 and Best Italian Specialty at the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix in 2022. But it's not just the looks that make this Vespa 400 a collectible gem, it's the history and the care that went into restoring it. This car isn't just for collectors, it's for anyone who appreciates the charm and craftsmanship that goes into a vintage ride. I believe if you saw this little beauty rolling down the street, you'd probably stop in your tracks and say, now that's something special. And hey, I'd suggest you check out the full details on the official auction link. Keep cruising, folks.